Good evening, everyone. Today is October 23rd, 2025. I just finished having an interview, buyer's agent based in Conakry, Guinea. And I told this buyer's agent, why you come to Wilhelmina? You are already in Conakry, Guinea. And he said it's very difficult to find a seller in Conakry. And I told him yes, because the seller would not entertain you, especially you are just a buyer's agent. So he was looking gold supply for his client. And I told him it's really very simple. You've been watching my YouTube channel and you went to my platform on Facebook. You should read because I don't keep on sending procedure. If you're a buyer's agent, you need to pay attention. If you don't pay attention to me, this is not for you because gold is very complicated. This is $1 million worth of business. And I need to interview the buyer. Why? Because we have a bad experience in the past. My seller lost $24 million and he trusted the buyer from Paris. And the seller lost his eldest son and $24 million because of carelessness. So since then, my seller didn't tell me that they trusted the buyer from Paris. When the gold arrived in Paris, the buyer disappeared. Because the eldest son agree on CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. I said to my head office, you are careless. Gold is money. Why are you giving for nothing? They have to pay for it whether they like it or not. I told my head office. Since then, I said to my head office, from now on, don't believe on buyer. Buyers are liars. And also the sellers is also liars, vice versa. The seller can lie to you and the buyer can lie to you because gold is precious. But when you come to Wilhelmina, I'm very tough, very strict. I need to ask who you are. When you come for WhatsApp, do not say hi, hello, because I need to ask you, how did you get my number? Who you are? You need to introduce yourself. Are you a buyer or agent? If you're saying agent, to me, I'm not interested. Really. Because I need to talk to the main buyer because I need to help the buyer to secure gold properly in Africa. Then one of my potential buyer, he knows me. He has been watching my YouTube channel. And he said he's going to travel to Mali. And he has a friend. And I told him, well, if you have a friend, tell your friend to help you. Don't talk to Wilhelmina because I cannot help you. And I cannot send you to Mali because Mali is getting strict. And he wanted to buy gold CIF to bring Dubai. I said, no, it wouldn't work. You are just wasting your time. And in the beginning, he said he's a buyer. In the middle of my conversation, you need to be honest with yourself. Who is the main buyer here? He said he has a partner in Dubai. I see. So this kind of mentality, this buyer's agent, to me, he's an agent. He's not really transparent enough because he doesn't want to open his camera to be interviewed. Mr. Buyer, I'm here. This is my virtual office. Okay? And I'm here to promote Africa. And I'm here to assist you in order for you to get the supply. Now, don't cut corner. Don't go behind my back. In Mali, the taxes is 7%. That is normal. You have to pay the government sales tax. That is normal. In Conakry, 5.5% government sales tax. In Sierra Leone, the same. Here in Australia, our government sales tax is 10%. We don't have any complaint. We pay for it. But you guys, you're gonna say, oh, I wanna buy gold to pay taxes. To me, you are criminal. To me, you are crook. Why you get pay taxes? You have not seen the gold. You need to travel in order to see what you're buying. You don't need to pay taxes unless you taste the gold because there is an ASI cost. When you taste the gold, you have to pay $150 per kilo. The seller would not tell you that. Now, in Mali, you are going to use DNGM government refinery. Go on my platform on Facebook. I put everything. I put government refinery, DNGM. Now, in Mali, there are 4 refineries, DNGM, Kankamosa, Marina, and Russian mining company. They open refinery. Why they're there? Because there's business. Russia needs gold. And you, a small trader, you need gold, but you don't have much capital because gold is cash. You have the money, we have the gold. How are you able to get the gold? First of all, you have to introduce yourself. Secondly, you need to show me your credential because I'm going to interview you whether you like it or not. A minute you don't give me the answer to my question, to me, you are not really serious buyer. You're not. Only serious buyer can show his credential like a copy of his business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund. That proof of fund, your bank statement, will signify who you are. Without that, I wouldn't believe it. I wouldn't believe it. To me, you are just dreaming. And if you're going to bring the gold to Dubai, you need to have a compliance. You need to have certificate of money laundering. The seller would not explain to you like that. Nah. The seller will say, here's my gold, come, come, come. But when you arrive, disaster. Before you encounter disaster, you need to have a contract. You need to have you have to place your order. 10 kilos, 20 kilos. Do you have $1,000,000 in your bank account to show that you can afford to pay? Because the price of gold, it fluctuates. It's not fixed. We can only fix it when you meet the criteria. You are only inquiring. That's why you've been running around from broker to broker, from LinkedIn to WhatsApp to Skype to Messenger, searching for gold. When you search gold, the only person you can find is Wilhelmina. Because Wilhelmina put everything in order for the buyer to see what he's looking for. Now, Mr. Buyer, I know you have encounter issue. I have also encounter issue. The buyer that I'm going to mention, if I mention the name of the buyer from United Kingdom, he's going to be embarrassed. He go behind my back. Yeah, we've given him a good price. 2024. When the price goes up, the seller rejected him because he keep on bargain. Once you're gonna receive a contract and a pre-invoice, today we no longer to give you 14 days to come up your fund. You need to have a capital very handy in your bank account to show, because once we give you fixed, that is only good for 5 days. Yes, or 7 days, because the time is difference. To receive the contract, you have to review it. It would take maybe 4 days to review. It doesn't take 3 days to review. Just read it. I explain it. Read it before you're gonna receive the contract, Mr. Buyer. I need to see your credential. And after I receive your credential, I will send your credential to my head office and I will determine which seller I'm going to take you. Either I'm going to take you to Mali, if you want Mali, or Sierra Leone, if you want Sierra Leone, or Conakry, if you want Conakry. Okay, Wilhelmina only handle 3 countries, Mali, Sierra Leone, and Conakry. Used to be I handle Ghana. I wouldn't touch Ghana no matter what. I have a bad experience in Ghana. Today in Ghana, You cannot get the gold in Ghana. No more. The government has changed. You have to buy the gold to the government agency. Less discount of 1.5%. So you're going to say, oh, too expensive. I don't get profit. Well, that is not my job. That is your responsibility. You think Africa, you can get gold in Africa for free? No, it wouldn't. I just been to Africa. The seller knows the price of gold to the world market. The seller has mobile phone. The seller has an internet. He can look at what is the world market price. Yes. And you, as a gold trader, you think that you can get gold for free. No, it wouldn't work. Gold is not CIF, cost insurance and freight. This is FOB, bank-to-bank payment. One Indian said, Madam, what is FOB? And I told him, you're a businessman, you should know that. Do the research. You went to school, you should know that. You are in business, you should know that. I'm not here to teach you. That is why I put everything on my platform, on my YouTube channel. You watch this video. After you watch, you subscribe and click and make a comment if you comprehend. The procedure is there, very thorough. But if you don't pay attention, to me, you're not really a buyer. You're just a fishing around. There is no fish online. There is gold, but you need to comprehend. You need to comply the compliance. You're gonna say, Madam, what is compliance? My gosh, you don't understand what is compliance. Do the research. What is compliance? Very clear and simple. I'm not going to explain to you. I don't want to feed you no more. Guys, when I talk to my lawyer over the phone for advice, he charged me. And you called Wilhelmina, you asked a lot of questions. It was free. I'm very kind and generous. I stopped that person asking question and I told him, just read it. Get back when you're ready. That's all my philosophy. I've given the buyer or the joker broker an explanation. I don't need to explain to you guys. To me, you're not a buyer. A real buyer knows how to read. A real buyer knows how to comprehend. Yes. But if you're just looking, you're going to say, I have the buyer. To me, you're just a time waster. You're collecting information you learn from Wilhelmina's University of Hard Knocks. My knowledge is really very precious. You're lucky that you bump into my YouTube channel and on my Facebook. Now, Mr. Buyer, as you know, the price of gold last week was crushed. The gold was down. Even though the gold is down, China keep on buying. Russia keep on buying. Why? They knows that gold is money. Doesn't matter if the price goes down. That is the advantage of the big company buying gold when the gold is down. Yes? And the gold never fade. Never fade its value. So you are buying raw materials, not refined gold. The refined gold is 99.99 belong to the central bank. You can buy that to the central bank. Central bank is buying gold to Africa. They are buying raw materials in order for them to refine into 99.99. Gold has many uses. I'm going to explain to you, just like an elementary. This $1 made of gold. Without the raw materials, there would be no $1. Without raw materials, there would be no $2. Right? And without the raw materials, there would be no necklace. Yeah? This is my investment. Yeah? Where the raw materials coming from? Africa. Where this jewelry landed? In Dubai. I purchased this in Gold Sock. This is my personal investment. Now you are buying gold investment in Africa. You are buying raw materials in Africa. This is now finished product. So the finished product, the jewelry manufacturer traveled to Africa in order to get the supply. Most of the gold sock shop are Indians. Indians are a good lover. I purchased this when I was in Dubai. This is my investment. When I don't have the money, I can mortgage this one money. So you are buying money to make money. Is that make sense now? So again, without the raw materials, there would be no $1 and $2. So this is gold, made of gold. Now, why Russian is in Africa? Why Canadian mining company is in Africa? Why Australian mining company is in Africa? Why Chinese are everywhere in Africa? Why German and Russians are everywhere in Africa? We are getting supply, cocoa, cashew, gas, gold, diamond, bauxite. Why they're there? Because Africa, God bless them. They produce raw materials. None whatsoever you can find raw materials in your country. Africa is a big continent. 24 countries in Africa. Each country, they have deposit of natural resources. Africa, we have natural resources, but you cannot buy here because once the gold has been mined, they're gonna refine it and sell it to the shop and sell it to the central bank. We have a refinery here in Australia. We have refinery in Brisbane. We have refinery in Perth, Mint Refinery. Why a mining company in Perth is in Mali? Why they are there in Burkina Faso? Why they are there everywhere? Why? Because there is business, and you as a small trader, you think you can get gold cheap price. No, gold is not cheap. Today I'm gonna give you the price of gold. Right? Just a moment. Okay? The gold today. So I just finished having a conference with this buyer's agent. Now, this morning the price of gold was 4,090.98 per ounce. In dollars term, 131,527.96 per kilo. This is already refined. Okay? Now, you're gonna say, well, Amina, what is your selling price? Whatever the world market, our selling price, less 5%, maximum to 8%. You're gonna say, oh, I don't make profit. There is a profit. When you refine the raw materials into this is very expensive. Yeah? And when you refine $1, $2, you cannot get the $1 if there is raw materials. See? See? This is raw materials coming from raw materials. So if you are a small trader, you don't have a capital, don't be involved in gold business. You need to have a capital. You need to have money. You need to present that you are really somebody, that you are really rich, because the seller is rich than you. Why? They're sitting down worth $1 billion of gold. Can you see, can you watch the Burkina Faso? Burkina Faso was underestimated by American, Canadian. Today, you cannot get gold in Burkina Faso. They refine it themselves and sell it to the central bank 0.5%. And you, as the gold trader, You think you want to get handsome profit, you will get the profit slowly but surely because your capital is limited. You're gonna say, well, I mean, I wanna buy 5 kilos. Yeah, you can buy 5 kilos, but there is no profit much. But if you order bigger, you get profit. And my head office has changed. He would not sell 5 kilos, minimum at least 20 kilos. He changed. So I cannot change that. The seller has its own policy. I only follow what my seller instructed me. Then you're gonna say, well, Amina, what is your position? Are you not listening to my video? I am your business facilitator at the same time. My role has very important. I have two roles. I could be your business facilitator and I am the seller international marketing consultant and mandate. I have the power to reject you and I have the power to renegotiate the price for you. It doesn't matter if it's 8%, but if you satisfied Wilhelmina, I can be good to you and I could be kind and generous to you because I do charge my extra service. Yes, my services is not for free. When I travel, it's no longer for free. At the moment, you watch my YouTube channel, you gain knowledge. Knowledge worth $1 million. You must remember. And those joker broker doesn't like my guts, they blog me. Good luck to you guys. Because if I am a scammer, I wouldn't show my face. I wouldn't. I'm gonna hide my face. Just like this morning. This joker broker, he hide his face. So to me, he's a criminal. Because why are you going to hide your face? Why are you scared? I'm not scared. I am going to rebuttal what your negativity into your head. Gold is not for free. I walk into gold shop. Do you think the Indian shop will give me his gold for CIF cost insurance and freight? I don't think so. And I look at this one. I purchased this one for my investment. Mhm. This is cash business. This is FOB. I put my Visa card and then they charge me 5% VAT. I don't have any complaint. When I travel, when I get out from Dubai, I claim my 5% VAT. So they return the 5% into my bank account. Now, you are also paying government sales tax and you can claim that at the end of the year on your financial submission to your taxation. That is not my job. You are just lucky that Wilhelmina explained to you thoroughly. Now, why China is buying gold even though the price of gold is down? They are taking advantage. They are buying gold in Africa. The hotel that I stayed, owned by Chinese. Chinese are everywhere in Africa. Yeah. Why Russian are there? German are there. Buying, getting gold, raw materials, take out of the country to refine it. Mostly they bring the gold to Dubai. Why? Because Dubai is not strict and the importation tax is lesser. So now, Mr. Buyer, you know the industry, do you? Or maybe you are just thinking you make money. Yes, you can make money, but you need to have a capital first before you make money. You cannot just say, well, Amina, I want to buy gold, bring it to Dubai, and after we taste the gold, we pay. That is very dangerous. My head office lost gold already, trusting you guys. Mhm. And you don't trust us. The more I don't trust you, if you cannot show me your credential, I wouldn't believe it that you're a buyer. I wouldn't. I only believe you when you show me your credential. Now, Mr. Buyer, you're gonna say, well, Amina, send me the FCO. Well, when you watch this video, you subscribe and make a comment or click below. The procedure is on every video. I put the date because time to time I update the price of gold. Now, the gold is not fixed, Mr. Buyer. Now I'm going back to the world market, okay? Just today, I'm going to have a look the price of gold. Okay? Now the price of gold today is the 4,115.83 per ounce. Okay? On dollar terms is 132,326.91 per kilo on refined gold. Okay? On refined gold. So our selling price less 5% out of the world market price. Now don't panic because Wilhelmina is here with you. Wilhelmina will negotiate on your behalf, provided you prove to me that you are really a real buyer. Now we will discuss the price when you meet the criteria. Now, Mr. Buyer, I would not stay longer. Once again, this gold is very precious. Most Indian is a gold lover. Most shop in gold soak owned by Indian. Okay? This is already finished product. So I'm just giving you the explanation so that you can understand. This is my personal investment. I use this one when I go out. Okay? So, if you don't have the money, you walk into gold sock, how could you buy your investment, your personal use? So this is very expensive. You're buying expensive raw materials, which is a dory bar. You're not buying finished product. The finished product is $132,000, 1 kilo. Now, you are buying dory bar unrefined. Now, unrefined, just a moment. I'm giving you a good price today, but don't bank on it because you have not made a decision. Just a moment. Now, on 22 carats, today, our selling price is 121,560. Last week, the price of gold on dory bar was 125,300. The down. So take advantage because the price of gold is down at the moment. So it would bounce back. On 2025, there is a prediction that the gold will turn to 5,000 per ounce. Now use your calculator. 5,000 per ounce, 5,000 times 32.15. Mr. Buyer, this is the price entering 2026. At the moment, the price of gold today is 4,000, just 4,000 per ounce, okay? I'm looking for the price. 4,111.48 per ounce. In dollars terms, 132,300 per kilo. On dory bar, 121,600. The purity, you asked the purity, from 96 to 97.5%. You're gonna say, well, Amina, what is the carat? The carat is 22 plus, equivalent to 23. You are not buying refined, you are not buying 24 carats. You can only get the 24 carats when you're gonna refine. Now, don't you know this one? This is 23 carats, 23.5 carats. Huh? Can you see this? This is very heavy. Can you see? See? I invested money to buy gold. Yeah? Because when I need the money, I just go to the pawn shop and mortgage this one. I'm just giving you the example, eh? And you're from Dubai, you're asking bring the gold here to Dubai. Wouldn't work. The gold cannot live in Africa without full export documentation under your name that you have paid the gold, because it would reflect the cash inflow into the seller's bank account, because the seller will apply to export to you on your behalf. So that is the reason why I explained to you that you need to travel with Wilhelmina, and Wilhelmina is charging her services. Now you have two options. You don't want to pay my extra service. I do charge $20,000 to cover all my time and effort and my airline and accommodation to be with you. Non-refundable. Okay? And if you cannot afford to pay my extra service, to me, you cannot afford to pay the gold. Really very clear and simple. You are just wasting your time. Now, you cannot say, oh, Wilhelmina, who is your seller? I will give you the name of the seller when I approve that you are a buyer. You will know the seller and you can do the due diligence after I receive your credential, because I am the one is doing a due diligence about you during the interview, during when you open your camera. I am studying your language behavior when I ask question. If you cannot answer my question, therefore I have the bad feeling about you. Why? You cannot afford to pay, and you cannot afford to show that you have $1 million. If you don't have 1 million plus, to me you're not a buyer. And then you're gonna say, well, I mean, I want to buy 1 kilo. It's not worth it for you to travel. Gold will not come to you. You need to travel to have a contract on 20 kilos or 10 kilos. I will be the one to bargain on your behalf. But my services is not for free. When I call my lawyer here in Brisbane, because I was being bullied by this stupid buyer, I was being charged. You cannot bully Wilhelmina, right? I'm not scared who you are. You bullied me. No, I am not a babysitter. You must remember, that is the reason why I put everything so that the buyer can read before you make a final decision. You don't need to come to Wilhelmina asking question. You are collecting information, because I'm no longer answering your question. When you come on my WhatsApp, my question is, how did you get my number? Tell tell me who you are. Introduce yourself. Do not say hi, hello. To me, when you say hi, hello, to me you are not professional. I start to wonder, because my name is not hi, hello. My name is Wilhelmina Ford. I'm Mrs. Ford. This is my virtual office. Time to time, I upload my interview when I interview the buyer, okay? So that the buyer, the future buyer, would be aware that, hey, Wilhelmina was right. Gold is money. And if you don't have the capital, don't be involved in gold business. Don't. Keep your money. Stay away and save your money and put that on term deposit. When you have a term deposit, the interest rate a year is 3.5% on your balance. But if you buy gold, your profit every bar, $6,000 to $7,000 per kilo on every bar, or more than, if you meet the criteria, because Wilhelmina is going to renegotiate on your behalf. Now put that in 1 year, you become multi-millionaire. Why? Every month you order The more you order more, the more profit you get. But if you put your money in the bank, lucky you get 3%, especially the dollar today. The dollar has no value. This is more valuable. Right. See, when I go out, I use this one. This is my investment. So, if you don't have that, if you don't have this, how could you make money? Hmm. So, I'm just giving you the explanation, Mr. Buyer. If you're really professional, if you went to school, I'm sure you will understand my explanation just like an elementary. Yes, most of the joker broker hates my guts. Yesterday I was asked, well, Amina, how come I haven't seen you on LinkedIn? I get out on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a good site to connect people. But today LinkedIn is no longer good because most of the joker broker, they spoil the name of LinkedIn. Now you must remember, LinkedIn is to link people, not to abuse the system. I get out. So that's why they asked me, I haven't seen you, Wilhelmina. No, I prefer to be away. I prefer to put everything on my platform. If the buyer do the research, because one way or another, you are going to bump into this video. Whether you like it or not, that's fine. And if you like it, just come. Don't be scared because I am here to help you. Yes, but then don't go behind my back. Don't. And when you come, don't be scared. If we're going to have live video conference, you don't need to be scared. Be thankful that you found Wilhelmina. Be thankful. And also the future buyer would see that Wilhelmina has a conversation with this person. So this buyer said, oh, I will talk to Wilhelmina. Why are you going to be scared for if you're going to be live video call conference with me? You don't need to. Right? Now, again, Mr. Buyer, the time here is 8:53 in the evening. Today is Thursday, 2025, October 23. This is video part 2. I just having an interview, an agent from Conakry, video part 1. And you will see my conversation with the buyer. You can hear the conversation. Mr. Buyer, you don't need to be scared, really. Now, I will repeat again. Do not come or do not be involved in gold business if you don't have a capital. You are going to fail. And if you're going to say, well, Amina, bring the gold to Dubai, we will pay after we acid the gold. Don't waste your time. Gold is money. No one is giving you for nothing. You need to travel in order to see what you're buying. When you like it, that is the time you pay for it. Now, before you travel, we need to have a contract, sign, and then you will receive the landing visa that you are invited by the owner of the gold. And you're going to say, well, Amina, who is the seller? I will only tell you who is the seller because you are going to receive the contract, all the information of the seller. Then that is the time you can have a due diligence. Yes? Then you can see all the credential of the seller, mining license, export license, and the seller is paying taxes yearly. You will receive that, but I will not release the credential of my seller until I receive your credential because I'm the one will review that. Then I'll be the one to determine which seller you are going to travel with Wilhelmina, either Mali, Conakry, or Sierra Leone. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning to you and good evening here in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia.